Another big red day. When is the selling going to be done? My name is Will, and I'm a trader with a consistent win rate of around 80%. I'm here to help you learn and make more money. Hey, what's up, guys? I called it a dead cat bounce yesterday and said that as long as SPY is rejected at 407, we are headed further to the downside. Well, SPY was rejected today exactly around 407, which is the level for us to add to our short positions. The sell-off continued right from there. SPY broke below the 400 support. It's looking very bearish even to people who can't read chart. Now, can you still go into short? Possibly if you day trade. In my trading room, we had SPXS as well as some September and October SPY put, but we also shorted SPY as a day trade. Let me go over to the 5-minute chart. I mentioned in yesterday's video that 403.4 was a key level. After it was rejected right around 407, SPY opened right around that support. Momentum was to the downside, so we had barely any risk to short SPY off the open. So we bought 400 put for around $1.45, ended up selling them between 4 and 5, roughly around here, and that's well over 200% in profit in less than 1 hour. But if you are looking to swing put, I don't think it makes sense to FOMO now because we are not far away from the next key support. Let's go back to the daily chart. We're not too far away from my ultimate short target of 390, but realistically, you could have an area here that could be a bounce zone. So it might not even get to 390. It could just bounce anywhere in between 393 and 390. Risk reward here is just way off to go short. We're also super oversold. It could just squeeze anytime. Let's take a look at Apple. It got sold off as well, but held right at the bottom of the yellow zone that I gave you yesterday. So in order for SPY to get to 390, bears really need to push this through to the downside. It was struggling. Let me get to an hourly chart. It was struggling to get itself out of this area all day today. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I definitely would short Apple if it gets below 157.6. Next is Tesla. Broke the key support that I gave you yesterday and flushed. So we are looking at this area as our short target. There's still quite some room until it gets there. All right, the next we have XLE. Go back to the daily chart. It had a pretty healthy pullback right into the upper range of this wedge. Yes, it is below the AEMA, but as long as we don't break below 80, the chart still looks fine. That's it for tonight. Good luck tomorrow. Bye-bye.